Hey, Joanna Viesda here from Real Estate by Joe. You're going to have to check out this ultimate lake home that we are listing. It is 5 bedrooms plus a flex room plus an office, and 3 of the bedrooms have tile walk-in shower en suites. If you are looking for the ultimate lake home to have your kids, family, second home, or VRBO, this is a must-see. It has everything: a gradual slope down to the water, sandy beach, level lakeshore, 4-stall garage, deck, sunroom. We're talking everything, and an updated kitchen. So follow me inside.